What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single day here at 5:45 p.m. right after ATB. ATB gang, reveal yourselves in chat. Let me know how DZ was treating you today, guys. We got an awesome stream here tonight, guys. Little bit different today. Lost my train of thought. Guys, I've had a wild day. We're going to get to Bitcoin in a second, but we're going to do a little bit of a shorter stream tonight, I think, because I am going to be going on Debate Crypto's live stream at 7:30, guys, with Gareth Soloway, I believe. Another really good analyst. He's got a lot of experience. This guy knows what he's talking about. So we're going to go on Debate Crypto and hang out with those guys for a little bit. They do TA Thursdays. I'll probably be making some appearances over there. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a shorter stream here. I'm going to cover what I covered normally. Maybe we spin the wheel if we have time. If not, I'll add up all the likes and write them down so we can add them into tomorrow's stream. So guys, at 7:30, definitely tune in to Debate Crypto and catch me, Gareth Soloway, and Crypto Keeper in on the live stream, talking about all that good stuff, doing some TA. I know Gareth Soloway has some interesting takes on where he thinks Bitcoin can go, so I can't wait to hear what he has to say. But with all that being said, guys, I've had a little bit of a crazy day today. I had Ben's live stream, had to record a video, half of the video. Then I went on Evan Aldo's live stream. Then I had to record another video. Now we're doing my live stream, and then we got to do Debate Crypto's live stream. And then after that, I actually have a call that I have to jump on. So absolutely lunacy happening today. But guys, if you have not seen the video with me and Evan Aldo, I was on his live stream. Like I said, my day was completely out of control. So I didn't have a chance to put it in the Discord or put it out on Twitter. So definitely go check out that video. We were live for like an hour and 15 minutes. I was showing a lot of good stuff on the charts. Evan was showing a lot of good things on the charts. We were just kind of chatting back and forth, like crypto guy to crypto guy. Like, hey, what are you feeling about this? Like, hey, what do you think about this blood diamond? Hey, like, what kind of coins are you looking to accumulate? Good stuff like that, guys. Go check that video out. And guys, subscribe to Evan. He's a great trader. He does great technical analysis, and he's creeping up on 10K followers. Let's see if we can get some of the CandleMafia over there. Hit the subscribe button, smash a like for him, leave a comment, blow that video up, and let's get him to 10K because he deserves it. He's an awesome dude. Shout out to you, Evan, for letting me come on your live stream. I had a blast. I hope we could do it again very soon. With all that being said, guys, Bitcoin, what is going on, guys? We crashed to the 25K range. I think it was about 25.3 we dropped to about. Absolutely insane. Can't say we didn't see it coming, but we are hanging around. We are hanging out in this golden pocket area. Are we going to see a decent bounce, or are we going to see this thing roll over again? We're going to take a look at it. I'm going to let you guys know what I think. We'll take a look. We'll try to take a look at the altcoins depending on how quickly we hop out of here. Without further ado, let's say what's up to chat and then jump right into these charts. Guys, we hit 13K. Let's go. I think we talked about that yesterday. We hit 13K, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. We're already creeping up to 14K, so let's get it, guys. Let's get it. All right. Crypto Anon. Shut up, Siri. I'm trying to do stonks. Leave me alone. Anyway, guys, Crypto Anon, one of our newest mods, but nonetheless, he is amazing, just as amazing as Captain Kirk, Tyler Durden, Tony D, and now Crypto Anon. Thank you guys so much for what you do. Give it up for the mods in chat. They're the best. They help me out. They make my life so much easier. Thank you guys so much for what you do. I appreciate you more than you know. Michael Norris says, when monetize? At this point, guys, soon. I don't know. Just know that we are working on it. We're running into problems. I don't know what's happening. It's taking a very long time, but it's okay. It's coming very soon. I'm not going to put a day on it, though. Brad, what's going on? Happy Thursday. What's going on, man? Thank you for being here. Michael Norris, what's up? You said when monetized, but what's up, Michael? Thank you for being here. King of Crypto, what is going on? When XRP 35K? Hopefully in 5 minutes. Let's see. Peter Post says, when new wheel? Wow, it's a trend. When new wheel? Like new physical wheel? Gonna have to talk to Tony D. Maybe he can give us an update on the new wheel. But thank you for being here, King of Crypto. Dill Cosby, what is going on? Get your EBT cards ready. And what is going on? And.com, thank you. Bottom 20K or 17K. I think maybe both of those are in the cards. We'll take a look. Peter Post, what's going on? Steve Baker, Ryan Mack, welcome back. Crypto Billy, as always, bing bong. Always happy to see you in here, Crypto Billy. Let's see. XRP Shillbilly, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Bullish on Smashed Avo. Interesting. Bing Bong, what's going on, man? Thank you for being here. Mr. A or Al, as we call him on this channel. What is going on? He's saying, what's up to crypto? Anon. Captain Kirk, love you. Thank you for being here. Lee, what is going on? Dark Crash, what's up? Il Hero, Joker, Dave. Let's just get a couple more last minutes in here. Big Wick Energy, what's going on? Woke up early to cash out on my first short trade at 26,000. Thanks, Frankie. Bing bong. Somebody clip it, baby. Let's go. Big Wick Energy. Showing that Big Wick Energy with those gains. Let's go. Toy Crawler, what's going on? Deepak, what's up? Jay, Extreme Degen, Mike Rob, what is up? Il Hero, ADH, Adhi, Aj, I don't know how to say your name. Thank you for being here. Oh my God, chat going crazy. We got 280 people in here already, guys. Gwen, Andra, The Days of Old, welcome back. Christian, what's up? Boyce, CryptTKO, Jason, Deepak, Dauntless, and 5-0 Chris, what's going on? What kind of 5-0 you got? A little Mustang action. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and check in on these charts and see what the heck's going on. What am I looking at? What's the next move? Where's resistance? Where's support? Where are we going? Let's check it out. That's the thumbnail, guys. That's the thumbnail. We want the screen. We don't want to see the thumbnail. We get it. Is the pain over? We don't need to tease it anymore. Let's talk about it. All right. Today's energy is brought to you by Black Coffee, guys. I, as you can see, have been tweaking on Black Coffee all day long, as I have a million things to do. But here we are. Busy is good, guys. Busy is good. All right, guys. What is going on with Bitcoin? Let's just go ahead and start on the 4-hour. You know, somewhat of a long time frame, but low enough to where we can kind of see what price action is doing, right? Took quite a little tumble here, guys. Came all the way down to about 25,350, I would call it, you know, roughly. Slipped out of that golden pocket, came right back in, worked our way back to the top, and are currently getting rejected off of there right now. Now, people are wondering, is this where we get the bounce? Now, you guys will know, this is kind of what I was looking for. I was waiting for price during this bounce right here. You know, everybody was kind of asking me, like, is this where you're looking to long? Are we going to bounce here? Is this where the pain ends? We've already dropped so far. Is this where it ends? Is this where it ends? And long story short, maybe. It's hard to say, guys, but you will know that we were waiting for, I wanted to wait for price to come down and hit this golden pocket, create some bullish divergences on some of these time frames with the lower lows and the higher lows like this with the bullish divergence to get a nice pop out. Unfortunately, your boy was snoozing. I was sleeping, guys, when this happened. I missed the entry, and then I went into this whirlwind of a day, and I actually was not able to get into a trade here, but might pay off. I don't know if we're going to come up as high as we thought, but you did get the bullish divergences here on the 4-hour, confirmed right here about a while ago now. Did confirm that. Could have got in for a nice little bounce. You know, we were looking at that. Hopefully you guys were able to try and see that. Now, we are coming down to the golden pocket. We are getting the bullish divergence on the 4-hour. We are getting the bullish divergence on the 3-hour, right? And we are getting the bullish divergence on the 2-hour as well, right? And then I don't think the 1-hour. Is it the one? Not quite. I mean, actually, yeah, I guess you could argue from here to there, right? So you're getting the bullish divergences. So it is exactly what we were looking for. Test the golden pocket, come up. Could have caught it for about 12%, guys. Like I said, I did not get into this move. I missed it. But you know what? You win some, you lose some, and sometimes you just miss them. But how high can we come up here, right? So the 1-hour was, you know, the 1-hour looks actually pretty good. You have money flow coming up pretty nicely, coming down here, but, you know, starting to, you know, money flow kind of starting to round off right here. So it doesn't look too bad. Okay, didn't want that to pop up. Doesn't look horrible. Now, you are coming down with the momentum waves. VWAP's below the 0 line. You got rejected. Kind of hard to say here, guys. You know, 4-hour, you know, it kind of looks like you could be bottoming out here. You got the bullish divergence. Money flow starting to flatten out. 2-hour, money flow starting to come up. Let's check these lower time frames. Look at the money flow. I mean, generally coming out on the 12-minute. 10-minute, you're in the red. 15-minute is kind of indecisive. You have the VWAP coming up. This might drag you back up into the green. Check the 24-minute, coming down. 30-minute, coming down. It's hard to say here, guys. It's hard to say. You got the 4-hour VWAP coming down. Oh, guys, I think that might have been it. I think that might have been it for that bullish divergence. It's possible. It's possible. I mean, you might just be rolling over here. You got this VWAP coming down. You're probably going to print a red dot here. Yeah, you might just roll over here. This might have been the extent of it. I mean, granted, it's not, nothing to joke about. I mean, it was like 17% wick to wick about. So, you could have caught a nice move there, but that, I don't know. I mean, maybe. So, I was talking to Evan earlier today on his stream. He's kind of looking at something to play out more like this, where, you came down and then you kind of come up and test. I think he said about 32, right? So the 32K level, about right here. That's about 32.5. So I guess, close to this high volume node that we have right here. Kind of this is the level I would think. If this does bring us up a little more, I would expect a little bounce up into this high volume area here. Evan's looking at 32, right? Which is, just above this, right? 32 is, basically right here. So, maybe we can get up there. But right now with this 4-hour VWAP coming down, as well as, I guess your VWAP on your 15 minutes coming up. But if you get this money flow to start crossing over on this 4-hour VWAP, actually doesn't look like it's going to happen. But if you did get that, that could totally flip this around. Maybe another thing you could kind of see happen here is your VWAP could find support on this zero line as your 15, right? So your 15-minute VWAP's coming up, crossing up towards that zero line. Maybe it drags the money flow up with it, right? But as that's happening, maybe you have your 4-hour, find a little support on the zero line and your VWAP comes back up, as it does, kind of often. Right here, you kind of see it happen. You came up, came down, found a little support, came back up. So maybe we see something like that play out, and maybe the bullish divergence is not fully played out yet. So, but if you see, if you do see that 4-hour come down and cross over into the, crossing over that zero line to the downside, and it confirms a red dot, I mean, it might just, that might be it for this bullish divergence. But like I said, you could find that support. So keep a lookout for both of those scenarios. Now, if we were to just roll back over and come down here, guys, I mean, God, we are not that far from 20K, guys. It seemed, we're still almost 30% away, but visually, we're about, let's see, what is this distance here? Yeah, we're about the same distance. When was this? This was on May 5th, on Cinco de Mayo. We were about as far from this golden pocket as we are now from 20K. So Cinco de Mayo was not that long ago, guys. That was like 6 days ago, 7 days ago, something like that, right? And we came all the way down here. We are now the same distance from 20K. So maybe, again, I was talking to Evan about this on his stream today. Maybe we come up here, get rejected to come down here. That's kind of what we were looking at, and maybe, we even just come on, do something like this, test that golden pocket as resistance, break through, test it as resistance, and just come straight down to 20K. I do feel like there might be a better chance that we get a little relief here, at least a little bit of relief. But the first level I'd look at is right here at about 31,755. And then if you want to take what Evan said into consideration, about 32, something in this area, it's about the same level. I'd be watching this level. And then if we break there and come higher, I'd be looking to maybe retest that 786 fib level that we broke down from, test it as resistance before coming down further. But, as of right now, it looks like if you get that 4-hour VWAP crossover, and that, that might just bring you right back down. So there you go. Frankie Candles, I think we are going to hit around 18K. Crypto Anon. So if we're going to talk about the case for 18K, I would maybe think, maybe something like this. If we do come down, maybe you pump up a little bit, get a little relief. Even if you come up here to retest that 786 fib, and then come through here, you smash through the golden pocket, you come down to 20K, and then you get some panic wicks. Boom, you get a panic wick down to 18K, a couple little panic wicks, right? And then you start coming back up. Now, okay. Let me clarify that, guys. I don't know if you're going to wick down and then come back up, but, it's probably going to be, if we look back at these cycles, guys, historically, you'll see something that, happens almost every single time. And if we come back to 2017, you'll see we come down, right? You come down, Boom, you're rejecting off these this moving average, right? You get that big 50% capitulation. It's a bunch of sideways boringness. Nobody in the world cares about crypto in this time, guys. These are the times where the weak are shaken out, right? They shake everybody out. They shake most people out right here. Most people get shaken out right here, right? And then some people hold on through this, but this slow decline gets the rest of those people out. And then anyone holding on for dear life gets wrecked here, and that scares out the rest of them. And then the last few people, the last little stragglers you have hanging out, they just bore them out. They just hang out here, and it bores them out of the market. But in these cycles, guys, you continuously see this, right? You have a parabolic run up, a correction, you get a big drop, you stabilize, come sideways, and then you get a dead cat, kind of a dead cat bounce. I would consider this more of a dead cat bounce, but or even this as a dead cat bounce. But then you come up for, like, in 2019, you had this little fake out run, right? You came all the way back up to about 13K. So you went from 20 all the way down to 3, all the way back up to 14. Everybody thought they were going back to all-time highs, but it just wound up coming back down. You got all the way back down to about 63, 6,400, right? And then you had the March 2020 dump that brought you back down into the 3,000s. And then finally, the new cycle started. You came up into a parabolic bull run. Now, if you bring this back a little more into 2013, 2014, this is 26. We need the other chart. We need a little more history here. 472 people concurrently watching, guys. Thank you for being here. Smash that like button. For every 100 likes you guys get, or we get, you guys get an extra spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance to win a giveaway. And guys, to be honest, we spin the wheel more when we get a bunch of likes. But yesterday we spun the wheel 15 times because we got 700 likes. And we didn't land on giveaway once, so we just decided to give away NFTs anyway. But for every 100 likes, you guys get an extra spin on the wheel, and that's an extra chance to win a giveaway. We're giving away a lot of NFTs. Maybe another hardware wallet here pretty soon we'll give away. Maybe an Arculus, not an Oculus, but an Arculus hardware wallet. Maybe we'll be giving one of those away too very soon. So thank you all for being here. I appreciate you guys. But if we come back here, this is 2017, 2018. If you come back down into the 2013, 2014 cycle, kind of the same thing, right? Like, I mean, I guess it took a while to bottom out here. Yeah, this is a little bit different, but you come down and then, yeah, I guess this one's a little different, but you did have a pretty big, right here. I mean, yeah, you came all the way down, right? From the all-time highs of about 1,100 and something, I think. You came down 68%, right? You had a big dump, and then you got a little fake out dead cat bounce here. Brought you back up another 165%. And then you finally came all the way down here, found a bottom, and then, you eventually came back up into your 2017 cycle. So, yeah, I mean, I know Evan was saying on his stream that he thinks that we could go back up into the 50s or the 60s back into the 50s or the 60s in 2023, which, like I said, guys, anything is possible. But, what if we do this? Let's try this for a second. Let's say, let's go ahead and grab some bars here. Let's say we're about here, and then boom. Okay, so let's see what this does. So if you had something similar where you bottom out, right, and then you kind of flatten out for a little bit, and then you have another big run, yeah, this is going to be way out of whack because of the size difference, but yeah, maybe this is not the best way, but maybe you do. We'll just say this is for fun, guys. This is not, we're just kind of having fun here, experimenting. He thinks about 50 or 60, something maybe around there. Yeah, I mean, who knows how low we'll, maybe we're not going to come all the way down there, but, maybe something that looks somewhat like this where, I guess, when is this? This is, 2023 is over here. So this wouldn't be playing out for that long. So he's probably thinking more something like, this is probably bringing us to zero. Yeah, 11,000, 56. Yeah, 2023. So I think, Evan's thinking more something like this where, I don't think he thinks we're coming down this low. But you know, maybe you bottom out, you come sideways a little bit, and then you get another little rip up here to the 50s or 60s, and then you kind of come back down, I guess, and then you know, flatten out before you get into your next cycle. It's hard to say what's going to happen, guys. I do think, you know, mid 20s to low 20s is probably where we'll wind up landing. You know, not possible to come lower. Very interesting. Again, go check out Debate Crypto's live stream at 7:30. We're gonna have Gareth Soloway. I think he's got some pretty low targets for the bear market. So maybe I'm very interested to hear his take. I don't think it's impossible to come down lower, but I would just like to see what people think the catalyst for that would be. Would be very interesting. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting on that stream with them. But let's go ahead and check chat here. Oh no, do we have a hater in the house? Oh no, haters. Appreciate you, Frankie. You're doing amazing. I like the way you explain charts. Very educative. Hey, Ali, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. They're talking about haters in the chat, but I just found a lover. What's going on, man? Thank you for that. I appreciate you, Ali. Thanks for all you do, Optimo. No problem. Doubled says bear flag forming on the 1 minute XRP chart could be unfolding in 15 minutes. Interesting. Doubled. We'll take a look at that. Oculus wallet, don't be scared. Let's see. In price targets, are the current world events priced in? Seems like more volatile world. Yeah, I mean, that's one of the biggest things. 20K great buy zone, excited. Yeah, and absolutely. It's possible for sure. Jimmy Two Shoes, what's going on, man? Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Who feels bad for the crybabies? Yeah, I mean, guys, I made a video today. I'm not gonna tell you what it's about. It's about how to make money in a bear market. But yeah, it's like, guys, you can make money. Actually, let's check in on my trade here. So I did close out my Bitcoin trade, right? I closed it out for, I think, close to $1,000 profit. Now we are still in the Ethereum trade. I have locked in $826 in profit. So I locked out 800 in profit, took it. And now we do have 554 left in the position, currently up 149% or $332. So the shorts are just printing money right now, guys. The shorts are just printing money. Honestly, if I look back, I kind of wish I didn't take that much out. I wish I left a little bit in my Bitcoin trade, and I wish I took out a little less profit here. But if we go up, maybe I'll add to it. We'll have to see. But yeah, guys, the shorts are printing money. They really are. Let's see. You still shorten or you close it. There you go. Anis. Yeah, there you go. Close out the Bitcoin trade. Still in 25% left in my Ethereum trade. Took out 800 profit. No, that is an Ethereum short. Or are you asking maybe if ADA short is a good idea? Weekly closing above 28K important. That would be nice. It's already down 60% from all-time high. What's another 10%? Yeah, absolutely, guys. Especially the alts. I don't know if you're talking about Bitcoin or alts, but guys, if you think it's bad now, it could get a lot worse. Arculus seems awesome. Yes, it actually does. I was thinking about keeping it for myself, but I just might give it away. I just might give it away to you guys. Shorts are printing money. Love it. Yeah, absolutely, Crypto Billy. It's the money is falling from the sky, and we're just here with our buckets, with our coffee cups. We're just holding them, catching the money, baby. Let's go. But yeah, let's see. Can't wait for Saturday's video. Yeah, guys, Saturday's video is going to be really interesting. We took a deep dive into the cycles, looking at different dates, looking at different percentages gained between points, times from tops to bottoms, from bottoms to bottoms, tops to tops, tops to previous cycle top. We looked at everything. We're trying to get an idea if history repeats itself to see where we could find a bottom and where we may see another all-time high. It's going to be very interesting, so definitely keep a lookout for that. I thought 25K was it, but now with all these alts dumping, I'm thinking BTC catches up at 20K. Yeah. Yeah, Tone R, not impossible. Yeah, we've been calling for mid to low 20s. Not possible to go lower. If we get to the mid to low 20s and it doesn't look good, guys, we will reassess, right? Like I said, right now, I'm expecting mid to low 20s to be the bottom. But if we get new information on the charts and it's not looking good, we'll reassess. We'll find out where the next stop is, like we always do, because we're just trying to figure out where we can long, where we can short. Let's see. Coffee. Let's go. What's in the cup? Little bit of black coffee, Biomex. What's up, Biomex? What's going on, brother? Thank you for being here. Smash those likes, guys. Yeah, absolutely. Hot take. Bottom for ETH is 750, 800. Big weekly head and shoulders. Who said that? Hot take. Dylon. You hurt my feelings with that one. I don't want ETH to go to 800. I'm kidding. I hope ETH goes to 800 so I can buy more. Shout out to you, Dylon. Appreciate you. Mentally drained this week. Happy early Friday. Let's go, Mike. Yeah, Ben is thinking 10K now. Not impossible. It's really not impossible. I'm going to stick to mid to low 20s, guys, but definitely possible we go lower. So when we get down there, if it's looking bad, we'll figure out where the next stop could possibly be. And if it goes like anything like the past has gone with our predictions, we'll just call the level, and then Bitcoin will go to it and bounce perfectly off of it, and we'll be able to get some trades in. 512 people in here, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Smash that like button. Run it up to a few hundred likes. Let's go for 450. Again, we're going to be doing a short stream tonight. Probably going to get off here at about 6:45. So we got 45 minutes to run this thing up to 450 likes. Let's go. ETH to 500. Altcoin season is way better than Black Friday. Absolutely, Bitcoin Billy. Tons of Billies in here today. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and check in on Ethereum as well. Let's see. Ethereum coming in at about 1,900. Just go lower. Yeah, about 1,900 bucks. Let's look at the 4-hour, guys. Let's see. No bullish divergence. No bullish divergence here, like we had on Bitcoin. Oh, God. 4-hour. Yeah, same thing. VWAP, same thing as Bitcoin. VWAP's coming down. What's the 15-minute looking like? Woo, baby. Guys, watch this 15. It's coming up. It is coming up. But I would watch for a 15-minute crossover with 15-minute money flow crossover into the red with that 4-hour VWAP crossover to the downside for a possible another short entry on ETH. But, you know, you got 1, 2, 3 yellow X's here. Might be exhausted. We'll have to keep an eye on it. But like I said, I think our low target, yeah, it's funny, guys. We are approaching these low targets very, very quickly. Another thing that's making me think there might be more pain ahead. I don't really know what to think here about, you know, the fact that we made it down to these levels so quickly. I don't know if it's making me think that we're bottoming out faster or if it just means there's more pain to come. Now, we did have the Black Swan event with UST and, you know, UST. I actually want to bring this up, guys. This is important. So UST, right? Oh, my God. This thing is going. Okay, guys. So this is a stable coin. If you guys don't know, I'm sure you do. Stable coins are pegged to $1, right? So these stable coins do not shy away from $1. Now, you do get these crazy wicks up. They'll go to like, 99.8 cents or whatever it is. But when you start seeing the actual candles move and not just wicks where you have like, where the stable coin is like actually dumping from $1, a dollar here comes down to 99 cents. Now, this is somewhat regular for stable coins. They will fluctuate within like a cent or two, but this is not what you want to see for a stable coin. This thing went crazy and went all the way down to 22 cents. That means that if you had $10,000 in this stable coin, which is supposed to be pegged to $1, if the markets crash, your stable coin stays, right? If you had 10K, every dollar you have is now worth 22 cents. You lost more than half of your money just from this stable coin crashing. This is not supposed to happen. It's not good. Now, this is, you guys are obviously, I'm sure, up to date on Luna, right? Luna absolutely got wrecked. It went to zero, guys. Luna went to zero. Look at that. I mean, it's insane. It's coming in right now at about 61 cents on the daily. But if you zoom in here, you can see, I mean, this thing is basically, it's just completely flatlined at under a cent. This thing went to zero, guys. Luna went to zero. I've seen rug pulls go to zero. I've seen meme coins go to zero. I've never seen a top 10 coin go to zero. This is gonna go down in history. Remember when a top 10 coin went to zero? This is basically a black swan event. I would consider this a black swan event. Yeah, look at the moving average. Couldn't do anything about it. But this is basically a black swan event, and this could be causing a lot of the chaos we're seeing in the markets right now, right? It makes people feel really uneasy about crypto. Oh my God, what, I thought this was supposed to be, somewhat safe. Like, crypto's risky, but this is just, if anyone was sketched out about crypto, this is just tripling down on it. Could be a reason why the markets are, we might see a little more pain due to this black swan bad news. But, something that was really worrying me was USDT, guys. Took a look at USDT, and it wicked all the way down to 94 cents. You can see this has never happened, right? This doesn't happen. This isn't the longest chart. Maybe we can pull up an older chart here. Try Binance. Yeah. So you can see this thing has never dipped this low. Now, after UST dipped all the way down to 22 cents, this is alarming to me to see this thing make a new low, right? This is went all the way down to 95 cents. So this is a little alarming to me. I was looking at it last night. Wow, these wicks go high. Look at this wick. Oh my God. Worth $5. It wicked up to USDT wicked up to $5 one time, guys. That's insane. But yeah, not good. Not what I wanted to see. Kind of sketches me out, here. I actually moved all my USDT over to USDC because this is a little shady. But yeah, I think this is very interesting to just take a look at. I mean, this is going to go down in history. Not this, but the UST chart and Luna is going to go down in history. Absolutely. ADA about to shine with Vessel event. They are doing it to regulate it. Yeah, I know a lot of people think that this was like not an inside job, but it was like planned. Someone attacked Luna. Maybe. Same here. Bought some and took the gain and left some in for no reason. I'm hanging out with my two buds. I see you. We chilling. Hey, Mafia. G-Man, what's going on, man? I see you. Let's see. Yup, for sure. Would love to add to my bag. Frankie, if USFT deep or USDT, I assume, deep pegs, then it's over because the amount of BTC on USDT pairs and every coin, it would end crypto. They're trying to end crypto, guys. They're trying to end crypto. Shout out to you, Lane Hughes. Thank you for being here, brother. I appreciate you. That's why Ben said 10K is very possible now because we went down so fast and we're on track for 10K at the bottom of the bear market now. He said that on ATB. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like the fact that we hit all these low targets that we had so quickly makes me think that, I'm kind of torn. I don't know if it means that we've ripped the Band-Aid off and we're just going to bottom out really quick now, or if we've just come down low and we have way more to go. I think both of these scenarios are in play at this moment. Let's see. This week in crypto, Luna crashes to zero. BTC 1 year closed at a bearish engulfing candle, first time ever. And Frankie Candles hits 13K subscribers. Let's go. Crypto Billy, eventful week in crypto, guys. Very eventful week. Yeah, it was planned. You don't have 200 billion to move without coordination. It's a good point. Live broadcaster. Very, very good point. Yeah, there's no way this was a fluke. Yeah, it does seem a little bit weird, right? And also the other thing I was saying, I said this on Evan's stream today, the timing is just crazy. We're already dumping, right? Everyone's finally, the last bears are finally like, no, it's still, fine. I guess it's a bear market. And then here comes the FUD. Here comes the black swan. Dump it. Get everybody out. Crypto's over. It's the game that is played, guys. It's the game that's played. All in on ADA. Only thing I have, no other coins. Oh, let's go, Lehman. Maybe diversify a little bit. I mean, ADA's a good coin, though. Inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour. Frankie, can I get a shout out? Hey, Gim. Or is it Jim? Is it Jim or Gim? Hey, Jim, Gim. What is going on, man? Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Shout out to you. Let's see. Let's see. Lane says, Frankie, my man, I genuinely lost like 80% of my net worth, and it's been tough. Only hope ATM is PYR. Because it's the only alt for some reason up, and ape is 2. Can you check, please? I need some hope. Yeah, Lane, we'll take a look at it in just a few minutes here. Meta money. Frankie, guess we should have leverage shorted Luna last night. Yeah, guys, what's going on, Brian? Hey, if you guys aren't following Meta Money, definitely go check them out. They make tons of really good content on the metaverse. They're giving out good low cap gaming gems, everything metaverse, play to earn. They're big into step in, right? I know Brian was crushing it with step in. I think he told me he made $800 on one walk. Brian, correct me if I'm wrong, because that sounds too good to be true, but I think that's what you said. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure he said he made $800 while walking. But anyway, yeah, we were talking last night and we were looking at Luna. Not Luna. We were looking at Luna, and it was at like 50 cents. And I was telling him, we were just like, dude, you could put a short in anywhere here. Just pick your spot, enter a short, and you're guaranteed to win. And as we're having the conversation, it went from 50 cents to 45 cents. And I was like, we could have just 50x, 100x leverage with 20 bucks on that. We would have made money. And then we woke up today and it was at zero. We would have made a killing. We could have been rich. You could have gotten rich shorting Luna. I was talking to Evan about this earlier. You could have got rich shorting Luna. You could have just shorted it. You knew, people knew. People knew it was going to zero. Everybody was already sketched out about Luna anyway, the crazy APY. Or I guess UST. But like everyone kind of had an idea that it could go to zero. If you could have made tons of money shorting that thing. I'm pissed that I missed it. But shout out to you, Brian. We definitely should have shorted Luna last night. Let's see. Citadel and BlackRock. Guys, 613 people in here. Shout out to you guys. Hey, let's run it up to 700 likes again. I think we could do it. We got 616 people in here. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and check in on some of these alts. Cardano, 45 cents, guys. Oh, baby, look at this thing. Coming up to strong support here, guys. This gold box, very strong support. So, not atypical to get a bounce off of this. Let's go ahead and pull up Market Cipher A. Let's check the trade real quick. 146%, not bad. You got a yellow X here. If you print another yellow X down here, guys, I think you'll rip right through all this. No, I guess not. I mean, this is 22 cents down here. I don't know how much lower you're going to come. But you can come lower. In the 30s is 30 cents. In the 30s, that's possible. Come somewhere in this gold box. And then if you break that, you're probably coming down to the 20s. And then you're not that far from zero. But no, I don't think ADA is going to go to zero, guys. But yeah, you don't want to be printing more yellow X's here. That's for dang sure. But yeah, I mean, again, like I'm not going to do too much TA on these unless something is screaming that it wants to go up or down. If you get some crazy bearish things or crazy bullish things, we'll take a look at that. For me, yeah, I mean, yeah. We'll have to see, guys. I think this will hold for a little bit. Again, depending on what Bitcoin does. GMT, stepping, holding at $1. Not horrible. Not horrible. Yeah, I'm still alive. Still alive. Let's check Gala, 6 cents. Kind of the same place it was yesterday. I mean, you buying Gala at 6 cents. That is pretty dang cheap. That's pretty dang cheap. Let's see, XRP. XRP at 37 cents. What a nightmare. Yeah, maybe you come down to the 30s. Here, let's dig in here a little bit. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's pull up the VPVR. Boom. All right. Let's see. Let's pull up the daily, actually. Not the 2-day. Let's see. Bada boom, bada boom. Let's see. Deep Kush, welcome back. Thank you for being here, man. You don't think Tweet B says, I don't think we'll drop. Frankie, can we check out the SPY? Yes, we will. And we're going to check out the DXY as well. Thank you, Anon. I see it. I see these here. Thank you. What's your thoughts on helium? I don't have any. I don't hate it, though. Leave my short open then. Still learning, but goes better with time. Only confidence lags a little with bigger portion. Yeah, doubled. I feel you. Charles does a live stream and tells all his stakers before it happens. Interesting. Hello, Frankie. Fricko, what is going on? Thank you, Frankie. XRP, let's go doubled. This is where generational wealth is made right here, right now. Absolutely, Frank. It's Gim, like pronounced with a G. Gim. Shout out to you, Gim. Let's see. There goes my last 50 bucks on Luna. Oh boy. Get Ripple or be rippled. Is Vu Manchu in TradingView close to Market Cipher as far as accuracy? It's different. So I'll say this. It's not useless. It's not bad. It's not exactly the same as Market Cipher. I'll say that. The money flow is a lot different. And the money flow is, in my opinion, one of the most important things about Market Cipher. So very, very important. But it's not bad. I'm not going to say it's total garbage. Don't use it. You get, some of the indicators out there are decent, but it's not the same thing as Market Cipher. I will say that. Okay. So taking a look here. Yeah, I mean, you also, 30, yeah, you could come down to this line. We did bounce off this a little bit, but you do have a high volume node here around 29 cents. So yeah, like this area could also act as some pretty decent support. But I mean, I don't know how much lower you're going to go than that. God, I don't know. That's rough. That is rough. But yeah, maybe I would watch, 32 and 29 cents for XRP. What price to be looking at or adding to a short on ETH? Let's see. Let's take a look. Where would I look to add to my short on ETH? Let's go to the 2-hour. Computer laptop's plugged in today, guys. I know I forget a lot. It's plugged in. Let's see. So, I mean, this would have been nice, right? You get this bounce, you come back up. Test here, you could have added here for the ride back down. As of right now, I'm not going to add. If we come back up to test this as resistance, right? And not just if this comes up and tests this, right? Like, if this comes up, we test this as resistance, and everything else is looking like I have confluence to add to the short because we're going to come back down. That might be a good place to add some to your short and then come back down and then, ride it back down, hopefully to this level here. Not financial advice, guys. This is just what I'm thinking about doing. What you choose to do with that information is up to you. You got to make your own decisions. Frankie, been watching you since day one. You're killing it, bro. Thanks. Quarter Crawler, I appreciate you. You are one of the OGs. Shout out to you, Quarter Crawler. I appreciate you. You're killing it. You are killing it. The CandleMafia is killing it. 630 people. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to the Frankie Candles. I was going to say live stream, but welcome to the Frankie Candles YouTube channel where I show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. Some people cry over these bear markets, but I'll tell you what, guys, yesterday, right? We're not crying. We're making money, right? I've closed out a lot of profit on this, but we're not crying, guys. Yesterday, I had 4 shorts open that were just printing money. And I'm just sitting there. It's like I'm just sitting there watching the numbers just fly in, just making money on these shorts. And it felt like it felt the same way as when we're in a bull run, right? Like, the excitement you get when you wake up and you check your portfolio and all your coins are up. You're in a bull run. Your altcoins are 2xing every other day. You're making so much money. It feels euphoric. You feel great. Everyone's in a good mood. Everyone's getting rich. That's kind of how I felt yesterday during this big dump. That's why I love shorting the market. And you tend to come down quicker than you come up. So when you're shorting, the money flies into your account. So yesterday I was getting like bull market excited on these dumps because we're making money, right? And I like to help people capitalize on being able to make money, whether the price is going up or down, because it's very possible and very lucrative to short the market. Yeah. So there you go, guys. There you go. All right, let's see. Been in it for 6 months and looking at my portfolio makes me want to cry. Ben, yeah, 6 months. Yeah, it's a rough time to get in. But listen, this is when you want to double down. I say this on my stream a lot. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. But listen, do not let this shake you out of the market. They're going to say crypto's dead. They're going to say crypto's over. If you've been through other bull runs and other bear markets, you'll know this happens every cycle. Bitcoin's dead. Crypto's dead. It was a scam. The bubble is popped. The party's over. Go back home. Go back to stocks. It's over. That's what they're going to tell you. And it's going to feel like that too, because when you got Luna going to zero, you got Bitcoin going into the low 20s or even lower, you're going to feel like it's all over. But let me tell you, that is when you start feeling like, it's all over. I'm bored. Bitcoin's never coming back. This thing's dead forever. When you start feeling that, That's your cue to triple down on your research, triple down on your education, watch more YouTubers. Make sure you're watching good people, not just anybody. But there's a lot of really good content creators out there in the crypto space that are giving good information. But that's when you want to triple down on your research, triple down on who you watch on YouTube, triple down on your reading, read some books, learn about the blockchain, learn about the technology, learn about these things that you're investing in, so you're not just buying something hoping for the number to go up. You want to understand what you're investing in. So that's your chance. And then this is where you get Solana at $5. This is where you get Cardano at 2 cents. This is where you are able to build generational wealth. Millionaires are made at this time when no one else is paying attention. So just remember that, guys. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Let's see. CJ's third eye is blinking. Let's see. When you think it is dead, that's the time to buy XRP, XLM, Quant, HBAR, Algorand, BTC, and ETH. CJ, I mean, I don't hate on any of those. I do not hate on any of those. Let's see. Forget about it. FUD. We all good with Frankie Candles. Let's go, Jimmy Boyd. Jimmy Two Shoes. Let's get it. All right. All right. Let's take a look at yeah. So as far as adding to the ETH position, guys, I maybe this would have been nice. You didn't get a full retest of this level, but maybe you come down, maybe you get a full actual touch on this line, maybe even come up to this line. And then, if market cipher B is looking good, the other time frames are looking a little bearish, like I think we can come down a little bit. I might add right here and then come, try to ride it down here and maybe take some more profits. I'm going to ride this short until it dies. 148% still, just kind of boring on that trade as of right now. Let's just go ahead and, what else should we check? Cosmos coming in at $9. Just printed a fresh yellow X right here. Yeah, let's see. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, guys, we said it. When you see the yellow X's popping up on the daily, like, just think about putting in shorts here. You would have made, oh God. Yeah, these yellow X's on the daily don't lie. This thing is coming down, guys. This thing is coming down, right? High volume node right here at about $5. So this is probably going to be a real strong level of support, and we're working our way down there. You are also getting a bounce here. You got support, right? And then resistance. So you got another level here. So I would say 820 as support, and then right underneath that, not right underneath there, but if you lose that level, I would say maybe watch this high volume node at about 551. And that is for Atom. So yeah, I mean, as far as yeah, no bullish divergences. Yeah, I mean, nothing really looks great, guys. Money flow on the lower time frames. You might come into the green here on the 12-minute. Let's check the 24-minute. VWAP coming up. VWAP coming up on the 24-minute. Money flow generally coming out, starting to curve down here, but generally it's coming up. See 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is coming straight down. Hard to say. Blood diamond on the 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, you probably got a little more juice in that blood diamond. I think it'll at least bring it right back down to this line at about 822. But yeah, I would keep an eye on those support levels for Cosmos, 822 and 551. So, all right, let's see. Frankie, thoughts on good E-gold position entry? Jason Mack, what is going on? Thank you for being here, guys. 629 people. Shout out to you guys. Let's go. Let's see. Can't trust Sol, lol. If I'm here to pick, then I'm picking better BT. I better pick BTC than Sol. Yeah, Tweepy. Yeah, absolutely. I would agree with that. Let's see. I guess, yeah, what time is it? All right, yeah, let's start looking at these alts. Let's look at AVAX, because I'm actually going to run out of here in just a second, guys, because I got to get ready for this stream. Again, guys, Debate Crypto at 7:30. They will be going live, and I will be there. So please come show some support. Let's blow up that live. Smash the like, and let's let them know CandleMafia is there supporting, and I will see you guys in there. But let's go ahead and take a look at AVAX. Yeah. Oh, boy. Maybe find a little bit of an older chart. Okay. All right. So for AVAX, I would say, yeah, I mean, this thing is like 50 cents. I mean, do we have an older chart, or is this it? This might be it. Oh, that's Ava. This isn't even AVAX. What is going on? Let's go Binance. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I mean, this thing is, yeah. I mean, what is this? Yeah, this is hard to say. 396. I mean, I don't know. I would watch $10 even. That's yeah, you don't really have that much in this area right here. Like from here to here, there's like really not much there. So you might just zoot down. Yeah, I would go ahead and actually I would go ahead and move this. I would say yeah, I would maybe move this up. Something like that. $17 maybe. Yeah, I would say about $17, maybe a little lower. 1585. Yeah, I would say 15. Yeah, 1585. You might find some support there. Right now you're coming in at 29, but again, big gap in volume here. You can see right here, big gap in volume. Typically, you see price kind of just bang through that. So worth keeping an eye on there. All right. Let's see. When can we get one of those hats, Frankie? D Petty Crypto. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I think we're gonna work on maybe. I gotta talk to our merch guy. I'm gonna see. Like I said, this was a custom-made hat. That was a birthday gift to me from Mrs. Candles. But maybe we could get the same thing made from our merch guys. I think maybe they can do the same thing with a little leather icon. I kind of like this. It doesn't scream crypto. It doesn't scream Frankie Candles, but it's got a nice little leather thing here with the logo, right? So it's like almost like if you know, you know. Like, you know, a normal person's not going to know that these are candles. So it's kind of cool. It's kind of like if you know thing. If you don't like to fully advertise that you're into crypto, people always want to talk to you about crypto. It's kind of low key. I like it. It's real leather. It's pretty cool. Maybe we can get the same thing done. If not, maybe I'll get a couple more where we got this one from, and I'll give a few away because I know you guys like this hat a lot. But I'm going to try to make it an official Frankie Candles merch so we can just get everybody one. All right. Let's they're saying take a look at Luna. I'm sure. I think they shut the network down, so it's not really doing anything. Yeah, it's still the same. I don't know. I heard that they shut the network down. I don't know if that's true. If only I knew how to short, lol. NZO. Or Enzo. I am just filmed a video today on how you can short Bitcoin and make profits like these in the bear market as we work our way down. So definitely keep an eye out for that. It's probably gonna be out tomorrow later in the day. So keep an eye out for that. The hat is awesome. Mike D, I appreciate you. That would be great, bro. It's a fat hat. Good job, Mrs. Candles. Let's go, D Petty. Let's go. All right, let's check Solana. Are you saying Solana's next for us to look at, or are you saying Solana's next to get rugged? They did, but it's back. They shut the network down, but now it's back. Okay. Wow, Femex will delist Luna on May 12th. Yeah, today. Yeah, I saw that. Check Solana. Looking at Solana now. Oh, baby, we got a yellow X printing on the 10-minute, guys, here. Ooh, baby. I wish we weren't getting off the stream, guys. This could have been, 10-minute VWAP. Now, this is just good because this is probably going to bring you down a little bit. Granted, blood diamond rejection. You could come down here. VWAP coming down on the 10-minute. What is everything else looking like? 15-minute coming down. 4-hour VWAP coming down. Oh, baby. This could have been our first trade that we got in on stream, maybe. Tom Crown, what is going on, man? Thank you for being here. we will pick a date to collab. It's been crazy. Yeah, Tom, I was just saying, I'm doing 3 live streams today, and I had to film like a 2-part video. And then I have a meeting after my 3rd live stream. But Tom, I actually answered you on Twitter. I gave you a date that would work. If it doesn't work for you, let me know. Let's work it out. I really want to hop on your stream, man. That would be super, super fun. I think we'll have a good time on a stream together. I do. So shout out to you. Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. Nice. Thanks, man. New sub from BitBoy. Let's go, Enzo. I appreciate you. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. Yeah, and guys, if you're not following Tom Crown, guys, go follow Tom Crown. I actually was peeping 600 concurrent. Yeah, let's go, Tom. This is big. That's big for us. I think we broke our all-time high viewers yesterday and today. So yeah, we're happy about that. If you guys aren't following Tom Crown, you're messing up. Go follow Tom. He's been doing some live trading. Super, super cool. I was actually checking a replay out yesterday, Tom. I like your streams, man. They're really cool. They're fun. And you trade, man. And I like that you're open about, showing your trades. And if you lose, you don't try to hide it. I'm the same way. Like, if I lose a trade, I lose a trade. You can't sit around and act like you win all your trades. Like, I really like that. And you have fun on the streams. So guys, go follow Tom Crown. Does a lot of good TA. He does a lot of good trading content, and he's one of the crypto brothers. You know what I'm saying? So go check him out, and we're gonna have a collab coming very, very soon. I'm excited about that one. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead. Frankie Candles, head and shoulders forming on the BTC 1 hour. We can check that. Let's just take a look at Luna here real quick. 4-hour VWAP coming down on the 4-hour. 4-hour VWAP coming down on the 4-hour. No, but you got the 4-hour VWAP crossing, looking like it wants to cross over that 0 line. Now it's not quite there yet, but it's working its way down. And your 15-minute money flow, your money flow is starting to come up on the 15 minutes. So that's not, that's not really indicative of a huge downward move. But this yellow X on the 10-minute could possibly bring you down a bit. You are rejecting off the top of that golden pocket. Yeah. Let's see. What's a 1 minute doing? Yeah, interesting. But yeah, for Solana, I mean, let's hide that VPVR. Yeah, I mean, we do have some levels here. I mean, we didn't quite bounce off here yet, but yeah, I would watch, about $35, some strong support there. And then, about 29.47 is, this golden box, right? This range. We drew these yesterday. It's this box, but, inside the box, these are the specific levels inside the box that I'm watching. But I think you will find a decent amount of support in this box. So there is Solana. 640, guys, gonna hop off in about 5 minutes here. So I can go get ready for the debate crypto stream. Busy. Thanks for the video. Red, I got you. Lost Profit. Hey, Frankie, Lost Profit, what's going on? Let's see. Hopped in at 26, got out at 29. Thanks to the Candle Mafia. Blazing Saddles, let's go. Blazing Saddles, you've been out there killing it, man. You've been out there killing it. I think I've seen you put a bunch of wins in here. This is awesome. That's what I love to see. It's Sol, not Luna. You're trying to scare people. Wait, what? I lost that. Sorry. Not 100% sure what you mean by that. It's, sorry, Crypto Polo. What's going on? Thank you for being here. 566, guys. Look at that. 567 concurrent viewers. Let's go. Let's run the likes up. I think we could hit 550 likes. I think 550 is possible in the next 5 minutes. Guys, if you want to enter to win, real quick, if you guys want to enter to win our NFT giveaway that we're going to be doing, I'm not 100% sure how, oh, there we go. We got Tom Crown's YouTube channel in the chat, guys. Go check him out for sure. But if you guys want to enter to win these NFTs, go check out our latest KuCoin video. You're going to want to like it, be a subscriber, and leave a comment to enter a chance to win in our NFT giveaway. We're giving away a bunch of them this week. We will be announcing the winner on Friday. So you're going to check out the latest pre-recorded upload. It is a KuCoin video. I go over, I think it's the trading bot video. If Anon, are you, where is Captain still here? If somebody, Tyler, if you could link the video they need to win that, those, what are they called? TNFs? TFNs, whatever they are. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, if we could throw that link in there for them to win the NFT giveaway, that would be great. And if we run it up to 550, guys, we're not going to spin the wheel today, but I will write it down and we will get the spins in tomorrow. And if we get 550 likes in the next 3 minutes, I will give you guys 10 spins. Guys, we're breaking records here. So let's let's I don't mind giving you guys a couple extra spins, giving away a couple extra NFTs. I don't. All right, even they have to burn the whole stack. Yeah. Captain Kirk, there you are. Let's see. Frank Candles, I have 6,677 Luna, bought for $91. What can I do? K9, I like your name. That is, I am sorry, man. That is really, really, really rough. I'll say this. You don't really have a choice. I think your only choice is to hold and hope for the best. I don't know how much hope there is, but the bright side, and I know there's no bright side to the situation. I feel for you, man. It's a horrible, horrible thing. But just know that at least you have an easy decision. You don't really have much you can do other than just hold and hope for the best. That's all you can do. So I'm really sorry about that, man. That stinks. That really does stink. All right, let's see here. Just wanted to say hello from Denmark and praise you for the epic addition you are to the YouTube crypto scene. Can I get a bing bong? The dump is strong in this one. Who is this? Indefacto Games. Shout out to you, man. I appreciate that. Thanks for coming in to say hi, and I appreciate that you think I'm a good addition to the crypto scene. So shout out to you, Indefacto Game. What is it? Indefacto Games. Shout out to you. I'll give you a little bing bong. Let's go. Thank you for that. I appreciate you. Are we still heading down? Probably. Could you last check out Bitcoin Cash 1 hour chart? Is it okay, you want to see the 1 hour head and shoulders on Bitcoin. All right, this will be the last thing we take a look at before I get out of here, guys. Again, 7:30, debate crypto. If we could throw the debate crypto channel in there too, guys, thank you. I know there's a lot of links. I'm sorry. I'm sure Tyler already put it in there, but debate crypto 7:30, guys. We'll be on there hanging out with Gareth Soloway and Crypto Keeper. All right, let's see. 1 hour head and shoulders. For some reason, every time someone tells me to look at something on the 1 hour chart, I can never find what they're talking about. So 1 hour BTC head and shoulders. Let me get rid of these lines. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm blind. Like, head and shoulders scream out to me, but when someone wants me to look for it, I can never find it. I can literally never find it. I mean, yeah, am I blind? I don't know. Like, are you thinking boom, 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 boom? Is that what you're kind of thinking? I don't know. Is that what you're thinking? I don't know. I don't really see it. I don't really see it. Granted, I don't really trade head and shoulders that much, so maybe I'm just not my eyes not trained to see it. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't really see it. Let me know if that was close. Yeah, Crypto Anon, I don't see it either. I can't see it either. Okay, sorry, KR. Be strong, just a life lesson. Yeah, shout out Red. See, we got a good community out here, guys. We got an amazing community. I love you guys. Check the Discord. All right. Check the Discord for all right, let me just oh, here it is. There it is. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. Let's see. Boom. Oh, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think I'm using Heikinashi candle, so it looks a little different. Are you thinking like boom, boom, boom? Let me switch to regular candles. Yeah, I mean, it's a little more evident on the regular candles. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I typically like when they're much more defined than this. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not a head and shoulders expert, so I don't know. To me, that's not enough to call a head and shoulders. Granted, again, I don't trade them a lot, so maybe someone who's really into the trading head and shoulders would say, yeah, it's a beautiful head and shoulders. But I don't know. That's not enough for me personally. Can't see your screen. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so they're looking at this. Yeah, so they're looking at shoulder, head, shoulder. Again, you know, what I just said, I'm looking at the Heikin-Ashi candle, so it's a little harder to see, but boom, boom, boom. Like I said, I don't trade Head and Shoulders a lot, but that's, I mean, to me, that doesn't look like a Head and Shoulders. But I could be wrong. Again, I'm not a Head and Shoulders guy. Me either. I don't really see it. Yeah. Franklin G Candles, how we doing? Dave, what is going on? Shout out to you, Dave. Thank you for being here. Captain Kirk, thank you for the alert. I have $100 in. What should I invest? Ramon, hard to say. Hard to say. I can't tell you what to do with your money, but $100. Geez, what would you do with $100? Hard to say. Some things I'm looking to buy. I'm looking to buy Gala. I'm looking to accumulate a little more XRP. I'm looking to buy more Cardano. I'm looking to buy some. Why can I never think of this stuff when people ask me? Alluvium, I'm looking to pick up. There you go. There's a few that I'm looking to invest in, but hey, not financial advice. I can't tell you what to buy. You're going to have to figure it out and do your own research, but those are some things that I'm looking at. Cosmos, I love Cosmos. Polkadot, Chainlink, these are good projects. The other ones are a little more risky, but I would, you know, with $100, if that's all you have to invest, I would go a little more risky, just because, I mean, if you put $100 into Bitcoin or something, the gains are going to be a little lackluster. You might want to go into something a little lower in market cap. But yeah, there's some that and I'm sure, yeah, everybody else, yeah, Kadena, Sand, Mana, $100, Quant, and the rest $100, one Quant, and the rest XRP. There you go. You get a lot of people giving you what they're doing. If anything, maybe somewhat of an inverse Head and Shoulders. Interesting. $100. Do a limit buy of ADA at 40 cents, then stake it. Not a bad idea. What about AVAX, TRX? Ben said you were looking at Sand. Yeah, Sand. I'm looking to accumulate Sand. I'm not exposed to metaverse or gaming coins at all, so I'm looking to beef those up. So yeah. All right, guys, I think that's all we have time for today. Like I said, if you're new here, welcome to the Candle Mafia. I appreciate you guys for being here. If you're new, we do TA every single weekday for 2 full hours. For 2 full hours every single weekday at 5:45 p.m. Same place, same time every day. Unless we're traveling. If we're traveling, I try to hop on live as much as I can. But every single weekday, our normal schedule, 5:45, we do a live stream for 2 hours. We're very interactive. I like to answer every single question if I can. I look at your altcoins. I let you guys know where we could try to find good entries for trades, long or short. We're making money in the bear market. I'm just like checking on this trade last time, 145%. Same thing, just kind of chilling there. But yeah, if you guys are new, like and subscribe, guys. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. You are in the right spot because we're going to be making money in the bear market while everybody else is sad. No, I'm just kidding. There's other people out there short in the market too. But thank you guys all for being here. Guys, 532 likes. We're running it up, guys. We're running it up. Thank you for everybody who tuned in. We'll be back 7:30 tonight. 7:30, debate crypto. Let's throw that link in there if we can. I think he just already did. Following video for the chance to win an NFT. Yeah, debate crypto. It's right up there. Crypto Anon, just put the link in. Check me out. We're going to be on with Gareth Soloway and Crypto Keeper tonight, doing some TA, talking crypto. It's going to be a really good time, guys. Thank you all for tuning in. That's all I got for this one. I'll see you next time. Sorry about the short stream, guys. Use good risk management. And don't worry about the bear market. We could cash in on the bear market. I love each and every single one of you. That's all I got. See you guys at 7:30 tonight. Bing bong. We got close enough to 550 likes, guys. 541 likes. I'll give you guys 10 spins tomorrow on the wheel. Love you. Bing bong.